Hello guys, welcome to how to create your felt letter form in Photoshop CC. And first of all, you're going to open up a felt image from Google, and then that's the felt image. Then you need to go to the text layer and you need to drag a box. Make sure that your swatch is white, and then you need to put a letter, so I'm going to put a letter form which is A, and then turn that off. So I'm going to go on the move tool, and then you need to turn the background layer off, and then you need to drag the layer 0, which is your background layer, at the top above the letter A, and then you need to go to layer, create clipping mask, and that's what basically create clipping mask will basically outline your background layer, and the background layer will go inside the letter form A, so that will create a stencil like picture letter form.